I'm Rebecca Miller. I'm the Senior Manager of Product for Alexa for Hospitality. Today I'm going to talk to you about what we're delivering for your guests and for your staff. I'm then going to talk about what we're delivering for property owners to continue to thrive as a business. And then I'm going to also talk to you about what we're delivering for solutions providers to be able to provide new technology that helps them integrate seamless experiences through voice into their portfolio of products. So there's three things I want to talk to you today about what we're releasing for your guests and for your staff to help them stay safe through Alexa for Hospitality. With Alexa for Hospitality, you're able to provide your guests and your staff zero-touch experiences with their room and the environment around them. We're releasing new language capabilities so that Alexa can engage your guests and your staff in the language that they prefer. We're also expanding the number of devices that work with Alexa for Hospitality so that you're not only able to engage your guests by voice, but you're also able to engage them with visually interactive content that they can use to explore your hotel. Recent studies show that most guests care about cleanliness as the number one thing that they look for when they're choosing which hotel to stay at. It's not price, it's not location, it's cleanliness. And what guests are also saying in these studies is that they're looking for self-service technology to help them continue to feel safe. And most leaders in our industry believe that these are trends that are here to stay. These are things that we believe are going to be long-term trends. And Alexa for Hospitality allows you to provide zero-touch experiences. And zero-touch experiences means zero. You don't actually have to touch a light bulb or a thermostat to engage the room around you. Your guests can walk into a room and order room service without actually picking up the phone and potentially exposing themselves to germs or leaving germs for the next guest. And so the benefit of this is that you're able to provide experiences that your customers have always enjoyed, that you've spent so much time designing for them. And they don't have to be worried that they could potentially expose themselves to something that would put their safety at risk or their health at risk by enjoying those things. They can truly feel like they are home while they're away from home. We're also thrilled that Alexa is going to be able to talk with your customers in more ways than ever before. With Alexa for Hospitality, you'll be able to engage your customers and your staff in both English and Spanish. Alexa is able to respond in both English or in Spanish based on whatever language the question was posed in. And this makes a frictionless experience that helps your guests have an easier stay and your staff have a more efficient experience. Here's what this could look like for you.
Alexa for Hospitality brings zero-touch guest experiences to your property.
Alexa, turn on the TV.
Okay.
Alexa, set the temperature to 73 degrees.
Browse through the room service menu on the TV screen, call the front desk, and do much more with Alexa. Alexa can switch between Spanish and English. Alexa understands your guests and responds to them in English or Spanish.
Alexa, turn on the lights.
Okay.
Alexa, ¿cuál es el pronóstico hoy?
Hoy, será soleado y 75 grados.
The third thing that we're excited to announce is that soon your guests will be able to interact with Alexa, not just with voice, but through visual experiences. You can push timely information to your customers to help them explore everything that your property has to offer. You're able to push information to your customers in a timely way so that you can remind them to check out by 11 a.m. You can help them discover amenities across your property. We'll give you tools that allows you to make these experiences incredibly custom to your property so that you drive what is the right message for your guests and what's the right experiences so that you're able to help them enjoy your property to the fullest. These are designed to integrate easily with external systems so that it's not a burden for you to manage. And like with everything we build, this is built with privacy by design. This experience is built with multiple layers of privacy protections. This is to make sure that your guests feel protected and are protected. For many of your customers, screens may be an easier way for them to engage information about your property. For many customers, they may have to discover things like room service on a fixed set of text or font that can be a hard size for them to read. Screens change this. Screens give you the power and control over what is the right experience for you to offer all of your guests, whether across your property or for specific rooms, or even for specific guests. You're in control. Now I want to talk to you about what's new for properties. There's two things that I want to touch on. The first thing I want to dive into is how adding a screen with Alexa can help your business. The second thing I want to dive into is how Alexa for Hospitality is expanding the choice that you have in terms of the features, the devices, and the price points that you get to choose from to add Alexa into your property. So starting with the first one, soon you'll be able to add Echo Show 5s and Echo Show 8s into your property so that you can customize the information that you share with your customers. Alexa for Hospitality is designed to provide frictionless experiences between you and your guests. Adding a screen allows you to do that for an even broader number of things than you've been able to do before. For example, you're able to provide them visual experiences to book amenities. You're able to show them what your spa looks like. You're able to notify them that happy hour is about to start and they'd probably love to join. And so a screen helps you increase your revenue by engaging your customers with all of the services that you've built into your property. This also helps you reduce costs. Today, many guests have to use binders or physical pieces of paper to understand what they can enjoy across your property. A visual screen allows you to provide this information dynamically and helps them get this information without you having to print out pieces of paper and replace them if one guest used them or got damaged. And screens allow you to help guests continue to discover amenities as they change over time. The beautiful part about a screen is that you're in control of the content that you provide. And so as you're inventing constantly better experiences, safer experiences, more engaging ones, offering new services, you can update those instantaneously so that your guests can immediately discover those and enjoy those on your property. And this is going to be the broadest set of choice that you've ever been able to have through Alexa for Hospitality in terms of choosing which features are right for you, which device type is right for you, and which price point is right for you. We're constantly growing the number of devices that we support so that we can work backwards from whatever you need inside of your hotel. Some hotels have told us that they really want to replace their alarm clocks, and Alexa can do that. Other hotels have told us that they really want to replace in-room brochures, and Alexa can do that. Let's see what this could look like inside of your hotel.
With Alexa for Hospitality, you can offer your guests visually appealing, customized experiences via Alexa devices with screens.
Alexa, order today's special.
Okay.
You can display property information and current specials, or enable room service ordering using touchscreen and voice commands.
Alexa, book a massage for 3 p.m. today.
Okay.
Alexa for Hospitality offers devices across a wide range of price points and functionalities to meet our property's needs.
Properties can now choose from a wide variety of devices like Echo Dot with clock, Echo Plus, Echo Flex, and Echo Show. Echo Show devices can enable premium experiences with a combination of voice and screen control.
Alexa, order today's special. It's great to have all these choices. Now we can replace bedside alarm clocks with an intelligent, voice-based Alexa device. We'll offer other types of devices that deliver immersive, voice-based experiences, and invest in devices at the level of our choice.
And the last thing I want to talk to you about is what we're launching for solutions providers. I am thrilled to get to talk with you about this because I think that this is meaningfully going to help your business and help you scale. We're announcing a suite of management APIs that will allow you to set up, customize, and deploy Alexa experiences at scale. This makes it easier and more efficient than ever for your team to create and manage Alexa experiences on behalf of properties. This all starts with frustration-free setup. I like to think of frustration-free setup as a copy and a paste. You can set up one device, and let's say you add Wi-Fi credentials. You can then tell that device to paste that information to other devices so that your team doesn't have to spend hundreds of hours manually setting up each device and then manually updating each device. You can do this programmatically. This could potentially save your team hundreds of hours as you're deploying Alexa across your properties. These APIs make it easier than ever for you to be able to create your own consoles or pieces of software for your properties to be able to manage Alexa experiences, or for you to be able to integrate Alexa into the software and technologies that you already have. These make it easy for you to customize Alexa at a very precise detailed level and do that at scale. without having to make massive changes to your own software. We just talked about how this suite of management APIs will help solutions providers deploy and customize Alexa experiences at scale. Let's see what this looks like in action.
Alexa for Hospitality allows us to use management software and APIs to deploy and manage Alexa-enabled devices and experiences at scale with zero-touch setup.
Alexa for Hospitality offers integrators a management suite that makes it possible to quickly integrate Alexa into their systems.
Through Alexa, we can pre-enable Alexa skills,
Alexa, book a massage for 3 p.m. today.
create customized guest experiences, and so much more.